welcome back to Keto Naturopath Kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen. Today I'm making my newest version of mayonnaise. I make mayonnaise a lot. I love mayonnaise and it's so easy to make and tastes so much better than any store-bought mayo. We were traveling one time and I bought, it was an avocado mayo. I think it was Primal Kitchen. Oh, we threw the whole jar out. We just spent the rest of the week without mayo because it was awful. So this is no seed oils, no anti-inflammatory. So I start off with 1 cup of oil. And I used to make it, we used to have our own C8 product that we had manufactured and we sold. We no longer do that. It was the best C8 you could find on the market, but we couldn't compete with the lower priced options out there that were not as high quality as ours, so we just stopped manufacturing it. So I'm using all avocado oil. This is 1 cup of avocado oil. I like Chosen Brand's avocado oil. I also buy a brand at Sam's Club. They're mild, so you don't have a strong taste. There are some avocado oils that have a really strong taste. And I love olive oil, and I thought, whoa, maybe you make some with olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil has such a strong taste that it does not taste good in mayonnaise. Some people say you could use light olive oil. I don't trust the light olive oils. I don't think they're really 100% olive oil. They probably have some vegetable oils or seed oils in them, so I don't use them. You could try maybe just a pinch of olive oil in this, just not a lot, and try that. But again, I haven't tried it. I'm using 100% avocado oil. To that, I add a teaspoon of collagen. Why? I don't know. Collagen's good for you. At first I thought it helped to emulsify it. I'm not sure if it does, but I still add it. Lately I've been adding about a ½ teaspoon of gelatin. That does help to emulsify it a little, so ½ teaspoon of gelatin. And I've also recently been adding Dijon Mustard. How much? I don't know, I just squirt it. Probably a ½ teaspoon to a teaspoon. I just do a squirt. That also helps to emulsify it. And since mustard is salty, I don't add salt. You could add ½ teaspoon of salt if you wanted. I also add a tablespoon of vinegar. You could add lemon juice instead of vinegar if you want. I like it with vinegar, a nice tangy little taste. And 1 egg. You could also do, instead of a whole egg, 2 egg yolks. I've never made it that way, but I plan on trying that next time I have extra egg yolks, because egg yolks are good for you. If you watch Dr. Carl's videos, you need egg yolks for the choline. And then you need an immersion blender. You don't have to have an expensive one. Yes, I have an expensive one. It is called a part of my tool set. I always get expensive kitchen gadgets. So you put it all the way down to the bottom and you start it and you slowly lift it up as it starts to emulsify. Now be very careful with immersion blenders. Unplug it. At this point, mine just comes off of the motor. So just make sure it's unplugged. And then, yes, I'm using my fingers. Oh, I'm sorry if it's gross. But what I've also found in making mayonnaise is if it's hot and humid out, it may not get as thick. So I like to make sure that my egg is cold, and if it's really hot and humid out, I will put the oil in the jar, put it in the refrigerator, and take it out. Sometimes if it's really hot, I'll even put the immersion blender in the refrigerator to make sure everything's cold when you make it. So, see how easy that was to make? Homemade mayo, and it tastes so good.